So sleepy. So sleepy. Sleepy girl. Sleepy girl. Are you sleepy? You're not gonna wake up, are you, sweetheart? Tired, are you? Sleepyhead. 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 Hey, sleepyhead. Go get up. Huh? You gonna get up? Can you get up? Maybe? Oh, could you get up there? Huh? Just let me alone. Just let me alone. You can pet them. Yeah, they like it when you pet them.
But this one's called Buddy.
Very gentle.
But Grandma, he's biting my hand.
He is.
He's biting my...
Is she biting yours too? Don't stick your finger way back in their mouth though. They might not like that.
That way you open it like that.
Hey, don't lay on top of him.
He's got biting because he bite me.
Well, better get back over here on the rug. Come on. Can't move out there, can you?
Come on.
Not either.
He's biting me.
No. He doesn't have any teeth yet, does she? Oh, yes, you do have teeth.
This is a good picture.
Yeah. He's trying to get away, isn't he?
Here.
Mm-hmm.
Come here.
No picking up. Yeah, we don't pick him up. Just let him walk. Noah, honey, don't lay on top of him. You can lay on there. It's nice and soft. They'll come over to you if you go lay down.
But my blue up. Well, what began to come in the bucket.
Like to nibble on your toes.
They're not. They're not.
They don't think, you don't think they'll nibble on your toes.
No, no.
Let them come to you. Let them come to you. They will. They will.
He's looking. He's biting my ear. He's biting my ear.
Licking your ear,
He bite my ear one day. Now he's biting me. Look.
What'd you have for lunch?
I don't know. We didn't have any lunch.
You didn't have any lunch. I told you you'd get your toes, or she would.
This one's trying to get milk out of me. They're not.
Maybe they're stinky. You have stinky toes?
I do.
She might not like stinky feet.
He's biting my ear.
She's licking your ear, isn't she? You must smell good. They like you, Renee.
The whitey.
They like you too.
The wet Emmy.
She's licking you.
And this is... This is...
Be gentle.
Daddy!
Be gentle.
Can we play the other one?
In a minute.
I don't want my little one.
You don't? You want to ride your bike?
Yeah. I want my bike. I call this one a little chunk. I don't want my bike. See, he's moving around. Yeah.
I'm trying to get close to you. Stay warm.
My bike.
Pretty soon. Pretty soon we will.
It's on. Chicken.
Careful.
And that. Don't walk. That.
Our babies are 2 weeks old. She has 5 girls and 2 boys. This is one of the little girls here. Yeah. She's got a little brindle in her. It's kind of hard to see that. She's got a little heart shape on her back. Are you a little fancy? Little fancy pants? Just getting their eyes to crack open. Another couple days you'll have them open. There's Chumpy. He's one of the boys. Fawn and white. Yeah. Just starting to get their eyes open. Another couple weeks their black noses will be more predominant. Got another big girl here. This is a big girl with a white face, I believe. Yeah, you're pretty. She's got a little darker color coming on the top of her. Fawn color. Kind of edged in a darker fawn. This is Hamish. He's got more of an even mask. Got the nice black around his eyes. Starting to get your eyes open, aren't you? Yeah. His nose is still pink, but it'll turn. Usually we see that around that 3 to 4 weeks, that black coming in on the nose. It's got a few black spots. This little girl's got a few black spots. Those look very similar. They're all about the same size, except for Fancy Pants. She's a little bit bigger. Hamish and Chumpy are about the same size. I'm going to guess at 2 weeks they're weighing probably almost 2 pounds. Pound and a half to 2 pounds. 2 boys. Got Chumpy and Hamish. Come here. Yeah. Nice, good-looking boys, aren't you? Yes, you are. Nice, good-looking boys. Yeah, 2 weeks old. Not doing too much yet. Just eating. Eating and sleeping. Aww. Hey, Chump. Aww. You hungry? Well, let's get you in there. Get you in there with everybody else. Those are the girls. We got a little 3-spot here. Little 3-spot. I haven't named the girls yet. I'll wait till they get a little bit more of their personality. They're all the fawn and white. 2. Oh, you got in there, didn't you, Hamish? Get you over here. 3. Oh, I know. You're my fat girl, aren't you? Yes, you are. Alright, see? Oh, yeah. You're still hungry, ain't you? They all know where Mama's at. See, before they see, they can smell Mama. And they go where they smell her. Hey, up there. I have to take turns. They're 2 weeks old. I'm doing great. You're good, Mama. Yes, you are. Good Mama. These are Sophie's babies. They're 3 weeks old. This is Chubbs. Oh, are you tired? We have here. Maybe it's Nina. I think so. Oh, what a yawn. There's Hamish. Hey, Hamish. Hey, Hamish. Oh, I'm kind of tired right now. You guys must have just ate. Here's Miss Fancy. Stretch. There's Chubbs. Come over here, Chubbs. Maybe, maybe not. Oh. There we go. We're moving a little bit. It is just starting to waddle around a little bit. This is Fancy. Hey, Fancy. What are you doing there, baby? This is Nina. They're starting to lick a little bit of the mama's food. They just have their first teeth in. The other teeth are just ready to come through. By next weekend, they'll be eating a little bit on their own. By this coming weekend. They're weighing between 2 and 2.5 pounds. There we go. Who are you? Huh? Who are you? Who are you? Pretty girl? Huh? I think this is Jess, maybe. Are you Jess? I think so. Jess has got just a little bit of a eye patch on her left eye. She has a lot of white around her body, a few spots, a few spots on her back and her rump. Yeah, this is Nina. She's got a nice dark edge around her fawn. Solid white face. And Janina. There's Hamish. Hi, Hamish. Yeah, you can get up and walk around, can't you? There's Chubby. Chubby and Hamish. They're proportioned about the same. Just have a little bit different looks in their faces. Yeah. You're gonna get me, are ya? Are ya? There's Zoe and Brooklyn. They look about identical in their faces. Both have the patch on their left, around their left eye. Yeah, this is Brooklyn here. Again, quite a bit of white on the front of her. She's got the fawn, and the fawn on her behind is pretty even. Hey, Brookie. Oh, Bridget, that's what I have you named. Bridget. Zoe just wants to stay sleeping. Stay sleeping, Zoe. Bridget? They're just a little over 3 weeks old. Got their eyes open. Starting to chomp down on stuff. Oh, you're just going to crawl in there and go back to sleep, aren't you? Zoe's got kind of more of the 3-spot look on her. The 1 spot's kind of blended in. gorgeous. Hi. Yeah, I hear you, Nina. Come here. Are you stuck in the corner? Come on over here. Hi there. Yeah, you can't quite chomp down yet. You don't have any front teeth yet. No front teeth yet. They're there, though. Trying to chew on Hamish's ear. Hamish just wants to sleep. Oh, kind of sleepy. These are Sophie's babies. This is Hamish. Hey, Hamish. What are you trying to do? There's Nina. Hi, Nina. Hi, gorgeous. There's Chumpy. Trooper. Yeah, we'll call you Trooper now. That's your new name. Yeah. And Miss Fancy Pants. Hey, Fancy. Fancy. What do we have here? I think that's Bridget. There's Jess. Hi, Jess. Yeah, let's go get some toys. There's Zoe. Hi, Zoe. Nina. Just got our little teeth now, so they can bite pretty good. They're chewing up small kibble. Starting to eat on their own and without Mama. Yeah, that's quite an adjustment, isn't it, without Mama? Hi, Zoe. Pretty girl. And there's Bridget. Bridget and Zoe look quite a bit alike. Bridget has a little bit more fawn around her eye. And maybe a little bit more fawn on her back. Yeah. What about you, Jess? What about you, Jess? Yeah, right at 3 pounds. Ooh. Was that a bark I heard? What's that all about? Come here. Come on. Yeah, come on. Yeah. Oh, goodness sakes. Goodness sakes. Let's weigh you, buddy. Okay? How much you weigh? Oh, about 3.4 pounds. Yes. Yes. What's the matter, Zoe? Hmm? What's the matter? Hmm? Zoe? Stinker, you. Yeah, you're a little stinker. You're a little stinker. Nina and Jessie. Jezebel. Hey, Jezebel. Oh, you're getting tired, are ya? Oh, come on, 6. You are too. Yeah, you are. Getting tired too, aren't ya? Oh, come on, 6, so. What's the matter? Huh? Tired, are ya? Maybe you're not tired, huh? Say, no way. No way am I tired. Oh, he's sleeping. He's sleeping. What are you pouting for? What are you pouting for? So, what's the matter? What's the matter? These are Callie's babies. Callie and Charlie. A little boy here. Not quite 3 weeks old. Oh yeah. He's a fawn in white. This is my big boy Zeus. He's a white with a little dark on his ears and on your face. Let's see your face, buddy. Yeah, you're cutesy. Otherwise, solid white. And a pretty girl here. It's another fawn and white. A little more black and around her eyes. You're a doll, aren't you? Yes, you are. Don't have our teeth yet. Just 2.5 weeks old. Big girl, aren't you? You're a big girl. Yeah. Here's another boy. He's a little lighter, more the fawn, true fawn color. Yeah. Cutie pie too. Nice white collar, white on his front legs. Got white toes. Aren't ya? There's my little girl, Dixie. She's white with an even mask. Oh, you're pretty. A little dot on her head and a black tail. She's got just a little white on the tip of her tail and black around the top part. No, you're tired, huh? You're a sweetie. Callie and Charlie's babies. Come here. Little girl. Yeah. That are solid reds with the black tint to them. Would be considered a try. They've got the tan, but they're not blacks. Some people call them the black seal color because they have that black hair on their tips of their hair. This is the big boy here. He's solid color on his legs. He's just got a little white on his toe. Big boy, aren't you? Yes, you are. 3 girls and 2 boys. Here's the other little boy. Hey, hi. See the black highlights and the tan, and then more solid on the back. Just a little white streak right here. That'll eventually grow in and turn all dark color. Big girl here. Yeah, you're my big girl. Oh, you're sleepy. Oh, yeah. Sleepy girl. Not really doing too much yet. 3 weeks old. Just starting to walk around. Kind of lazy right now, aren't you? Hey, pretty girl. Come here. Come here. Yeah. Ruby and Bruno's puppies. 3 weeks old. Just starting to waddle around. Stay on the rug, Poncho. Stay on the rug. Yeah, you better stay on the rug. Hi, Winston. Hi. Come here. You better get back on the rug. It's cold off of there. Oh, come here. Come here. Yeah, come here. Hey, Poncho. Hey, Poncho. Get over here. Come here. Are you stuck? Are you stuck? You stuck to the rug? Are you? Are you stuck? Hey, hey, what's going on? What's going on, Mr. Two? Huh? What's going on?